Calling a class function inside of underscore underscore init underscore underscore. I'm writing some code that takes a file name, opens the file, and parses out some data. I'd like to do this in a class. The following code works. But it involves me putting all of the parsing machinery in the scope of the underscore underscore init underscore underscore function for my class. That looks fine now for this simplified code, but the function parse underscore file has quite a few levels of indentation as well. I'd prefer to define the function parse underscore file as a class function like below. Of course this code doesn't work because the function parse underscore file is not within the scope of the underscore underscore init underscore underscore function. Is there a way to call a class function from within underscore underscore init underscore underscore of that class? Or am I thinking about this the wrong way?
Call the function in this way. You also need to define your parse underscore file function like this. The parse underscore file method has to be bound to an object upon calling it, because it's not a static method. This is done by calling the function on an instance of the object, in your case the instance is self.
How about? By the way, if you have variables named stat1, stat2, etc., the situation is begging for a tuple. Stats equals ... So let parse underscore file return a tuple and store the tuple in self.stats. Then, for example, you can access what used to be called stat3 with self.stats2.
If I'm not wrong, both functions are part of your class. You should use it like this. Replace your line with
in parse underscore file, take the self argument, just like an underscore underscore init underscore underscore. If there's any other context you need, then just pass it as additional arguments as usual.
If you want to support the channel,